How to change call ringtone on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can change your call ringtone on Instagram. So for that case, first of all, update your application. So head over to your respective app store and on the search box, go ahead and type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So in order to change your ringtone on Instagram, you'll not be able to do it from the app, but you can do it with the help of the settings. So for that, exit out of your Instagram, then long press on your Instagram application and head over to its app info page. Right on this page, you'll be able to find this sort of interface. So here, go to notification. So right on this page, you'll be able to find all of the default settings, and you could go through it and make changes as well. Likewise, to make changes with your call ringtone, you need to go to video, Instagram video chat. When you press on it, it's going to take you to the info page where you can see your current ringtone. So right on this page, you can see my default is currently right on top. So in order to make changes with your ringtone, you need to go to sounds and go ahead and select the particular music that you wish to set it as your call ringtone on Instagram. So go ahead and click the OK button if you're sure about it, and you've successfully made changes with your ringtone on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.